preface this and mention that these wings ended up not working out very well. They were just too top heavy to stay flush against my back. They can still be worn with straps, but I thought I'd mention that before you watch the rest of the video. So here you can see my very sophisticated, very detailed concept sketch, and there is the final product.
There was a time when you said you'd miss me, a time you would've stood with me. Looking down at my phone, it's a mystery. Cut me out of your life like I was whiskey. Was I poisoning you? 'Cause you ghosted, you ghosted, you ghosted, you ghosted. You ghosted on me. On me. You know I struggle with abandonment. Said things I don't mean, I never meant. We both know you're no one to pass judgment. Wish our goodbyes could have been pleasant, but I guess you don't want to hear a word from me. That's okay. Maybe I deserve this. Maybe I'll never know. Because you ghosted. Please tell me how to let it be. These questions keep haunting me. Friendships end, but I thought that we wouldn't burn out, smothered by apathy. You mean so much to me. Do you know? 'Cause you ghosted on me. On me. Maybe I deserve this. I'll never know. Because you ghosted. No.